Morning everyone, it's Amanda from Tailored Transformations, and today we are going to pick the winner of our goal setting competition, which means you'll get a goal setting session with me online, booked at a date that fits with you and me. As you can tell, I'm absolutely full of a cold, so it'll probably be a good week or so before we can book in, because I'm not sounding the best at the moment. Here are the lovely people that have entered. As you can see, most of you guys are on TikTok, so I'm very grateful for your entries. And let's get on with it then. So I'm going to click this button here, and it will randomly select somebody from that list as the winner. So good luck, guys, and here we go. So there's the winner. Leah's here for the fun on TikTok. So Leah, I will reach out to you, or you can drop me a message, whichever you prefer, and we can get something booked in. Thanks to everybody that entered, and I hope you all have a fantastic Sunday. Thank you. Bye.